Ever faced a dead car battery at the worst possible moment? Let's review the best supercapacitor jump starter options available now. These emergency car jump starters charge quickly without internal batteries. We cover peak amps, cold start power, and safety features. Discover the most reliable portable jump starter for your needs. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best supercapacitor jump starter. Let's get started.
1. OBDMATE 1000A Supercapacitor Jump Starter. The OBDMATE 1000A Supercapacitor Jump Starter is built for quick, stress-free starts. It skips the usual battery inside. Instead, it draws small leftover energy from your weak car battery and converts it into a strong boost. This means no charging cables, no waiting, and no maintenance. With a peak current of 1000A, it can handle most 12-volt gas and diesel engines. In everyday use, it performs fast and keeps things simple. No extra steps, just connect and start. You can usually find it priced between $70 and $100, which makes it a solid entry-level choice. Verdict: a smart supercapacitor jump starter choice for drivers who want an affordable, no-hassle jump starter for basic emergency use. 2. ANCEL BS200 Superstarter. The ANCEL BS200 Superstarter takes a different approach from most jump starters. You install it once on your car battery and it stays there full time. That means you don't need to grab a device during an emergency. It works in the background and helps your car start smoothly every day. The device supports engines up to 3.0 liters, which suits many daily vehicles. One standout feature is the smart monitoring system. It connects to an app and shows battery health, voltage, and performance in real time. This helps you spot issues early. Its price usually ranges from $120 to $200. Verdict: a great fit for drivers who want a permanent, worry-free supercapacitor jump starter with added battery tracking features.
3. Autowit Supercapacitor Jump Starter. The Autowit Supercapacitor Jump Starter is known for its strong and steady performance. It works without a built-in battery, so you never need to charge it ahead of time. It collects small power from your weak battery and turns it into a quick jump start. This supercapacitor jump starter supports up to 8-liter gas and 4-liter diesel engines. That makes it a good match for cars, SUVs, and some trucks. Another nice touch is its fast charge cycle. It gets ready in just a few minutes using your car's remaining power. The Autowit Supercapacitor Jump Starter price usually ranges from $90 to $140. Verdict: a solid supercapacitor jump starter for drivers who want strong engine support, clear guidance, and dependable safety features. 4. KeenPower 6000 Supercapacitor Jump Starter. The KeenPower 6000 Supercapacitor Jump Starter is built for heavy-duty use. It delivers very high peak power, which makes it suitable for large engines and tougher situations. Unlike basic models, this one uses 6 powerful supercapacitors to create a strong and stable jump. It also features upgraded clamps and a clear display that shows real-time status. The build quality feels solid, and the design looks more advanced than most basic units. It's made for users who need more power and reliability. The KeenPower Supercapacitor Jump Starter price usually ranges from $150 to $220. Verdict: the best supercapacitor jump starter for drivers with larger engines or those who need a high-power jump starter for tough conditions.
5. Roar Pedal Supercapacitor Jump Starter. Roar Pedal Supercapacitor Jump Starter keeps things simple but effective. It does not rely on a built-in battery, so you never have to charge it before use. It pulls energy from your weak battery and quickly builds enough power to start your car. This model works with most 12-volt gas and diesel vehicles. It includes a clear display that shows voltage and working status, which helps you understand what's happening during the process. The controls are straightforward, so even first-time users can handle them without confusion. Safety features like reverse polarity and short circuit protection are included as well. It may not have advanced extras, but it focuses on doing the main job well. That makes it a dependable option for everyday drivers. You can usually find it priced between $80 and $130. Verdict: a good supercapacitor jump starter choice for users who want a simple, no-fuss jump starter that is easy to use and budget-friendly. Number 6. Leagend JS300 Supercapacitor Jump Starter. The JS300 Supercapacitor Jump Starter by Leagend offers a smart and hands-free way to deal with weak car batteries. This jump starter connects directly to your battery and stays there, so you don't need to use it manually during an emergency. It supports your engine every time you start the car, which makes daily driving easier. It uses supercapacitor technology, so there is no internal battery to maintain or charge. The system collects energy quickly and delivers a strong boost when needed. It works well in extreme temperatures, from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it reliable in all seasons. One key feature is its mobile app support. You can monitor battery health, voltage, and system status in real time. Installation takes a little effort at first, but it runs smoothly after setup. The JS300 Jump Starter by Leagend price usually ranges from $150 to $220. Verdict: a great supercapacitor jump starter for drivers who want a smart, always connected system with zero daily hassle and real-time monitoring.
7. Kmok Supercapacitor Jump Starter. The Kmok Supercapacitor Jump Starter is built for a quick response when your battery fails. It does not use a built-in battery, so you never need to charge it in advance. Instead, it takes small leftover energy from your weak battery and turns it into a strong burst to start your engine. This supercapacitor jump starter supports up to 8.0-liter gas and 4.0-liter diesel engines. That makes it a solid option for cars, SUVs, and light trucks. The design is simple and user-friendly, with clear indicator lights that guide you through each step. It also includes key safety features like reverse polarity protection, overcurrent control, and short-circuit protection. These features help prevent mistakes and keep the process safe. It works fast and does not require technical knowledge. Just connect and start your vehicle within minutes. The price usually ranges from $80 to $130, which offers good value for most users. Verdict: a dependable jump starter pick for drivers who want a simple, quick, and budget-friendly jump starter for everyday use. Which best supercapacitor jump starter should you buy? Choosing the right jump starter depends on how you plan to use it. If you want something simple for emergencies, the OBDMATE 1000A or Roar pedal are great budget-friendly picks. They're easy to use and get the job done fast. If you drive a larger vehicle or need more power, the KeenPower 6000A or Autowit models are better options. They support bigger engines and perform well in tough situations. For those who prefer a smart, always-ready system, the ANCEL BS200 or JS300 stands out. These stay connected and even track battery health, which adds extra convenience. If you want a balance between price and performance, the Kmok Supercapacitor Jump Starter is a solid middle ground choice.